Good morning, my name is Daniel. I'm working on a task in Python now to sort, arrange, filter data. So that working with a list and data. So we have this we have this list of students here that contains 5 dictionaries. So we need to do three things: assign two keys dynamically based on the grading system, filter out the student that scored at least 50, and then sort the lists based on the score. So let's start the function there. um def assign grade data. um so we need to create a holder list here. We call it updated students now. So we look through these current students now and add the grade and remark to each of the dictionaries. Then we push it to this list here called updated students. Empty list at first. So now we look for students in data. So data here represents anything that's literable, but this time is a list. So for students in data, this represents each of the items in this list here. So let's do our grading system now using our conditional statements. If elif. So if students score greater or equals 80, sorry, so grade remark a excellence. So this is called unpacking in Python, where you declare more than one variable, separating them with commas, and the number of variable name must match the number of variable values, so you won't have error. So the student gets 80, the score is great, is at least 80, so the student has an A. If early, sorry, set another condition, which is C. If this is greater than or equal to 70, so 70 we have this grade remark should be very good. We have this. So another condition, elif. Let's copy this. So this one should just be so we say good C elif pass mark. So it should be 60 and this should be 50. Grade remark should be pass. Yeah. And so else student field, sorry, else message there. So we've done our grading system now. So all we need to do is just to push it inside, update each student and put it inside that list. So how do we, from this loop now, how do we push it to this updated students? So first of all, we need to update the students using the update method. So students dot update updates. So we want to add two keys: grade value, grade sorry, grade should be grade. So this grade is this variable we have here. So that's grade. Stop that copilot. Then remark string should be remark. So we append it to that updated student there. Append students. That's all. So let's return updated students list. Updated students return. So when we print alright, so we have this now. We have the students including the grade and remark. That's what we wanted to achieve, and we've done that. So the next thing we need to do now is to filter the students. So that's very simple. So filter students. Should I call it students that passed? Okay. Filter function. Lambda s set our condition greater 50. Takes another argument. What list are you working with? So instead of updated students, let's return student that passed. Students. Save. So we only have Bob, Charlie, and David. So these are the guys that scored at least 50. Correct. So we've done this. So the last task now is to sort the students in descending order. 8267. It's already sorted though. Okay, let's just let's imagine it was not sorted. Let's call it sorted students. Equals, we're going to do that. The filtered, sorry, send a pass dot sort. key lambda is just sorting by what, then reverse true. So these are the sorts in descending order. So let's see that. Okay, let's remove this reverse true. Alright, that's great. So without reverse true, it sorts in ascending order by default. So we have 52 first, 67 and then 82. So coming back, let's reverse that, save, and reverse true starts from the highest to the lowest. Thanks so much. We've successfully achieved that. Checked. Alright, so I know there are other easier way to make this work. So if you have any suggestion, any improvement you think makes sense, just drop in the comment section. Thank you.